Hello guys, it's me Sagar and welcome to Math is Easy in another educational as well as interesting video. Sorry for the delay. So today I have brought the video from the trigonometric prove that question. So let's get started. Okay, so let's start today's question guys. So we have here the prove that question from trigonometry, and the question is 3 minus 4 sin square theta multiply 1 minus 3 tan square theta is equals to 3 minus tan square theta multiply 4 cos square theta minus 3. So we will start by taking the LHS. So the LHS is 3 minus 4 sin square theta multiply 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So whenever we get the question from trigonometry, especially prove that whenever we get the question like this, always try to convert the ratio except sin and cos. Obviously other four ratio we have to change into sin cos if direct solution is not over there. If we cannot change into RHS directly by using the other formula, then always try to convert the ratio into sin or cos. Then it will be easy to solve the question. Then you will get RHS easily. So here also we will solve like that only. So here we have 3 minus 4 sin square theta. Sin square already is there, so no need to change that. We will change tan square, and tan square formula is we have sin square theta by cos square theta. Tan square is there, that's why sin square by cos square. Now after this we have 1 minus, and fractional number are there, fractional value is there, so we have to take the LCM. So the LCM will be cos square theta, and cos square theta multiply 1 is equals to cos square theta minus 3 sin square theta, same. Now after this we have to follow the one trick. Without that trick it is quite impossible to get the RHS. So if we follow that trick, it will be easy to solve and easy to get the RHS value. So the trick, before learning the trick, first of all we have to learn the concept. Like here for example 2 by 3 multiply 4 or 2 multiply 4 by 3. The both answer will be 8 by 3. So here denominator in the multiplication, it does not matter where the denominator is, like 2 by 3 or 4 by 3, whether the denominator is under the 2 or under the 4. In the both cases the answer will be same. That means we can change the denominator from one numerator to another numerator. That does not make any difference to the answer. So in our question also here we have two numbers numerator and the denominator is cos square theta. So from here, from right side, now we can change the denominator to the right side. So we have to follow this trick to solve the answer. Means now we are changing the cos square theta from right expression to left expression. Means 3 minus 4 sin square theta by cos square theta. Then the remaining is cos square theta, same, minus 3 also same. Now we are changing sin square theta into cos square theta, because if we see the RHS side, here we have in second expression we have the cos square theta only. So we are changing the sin square into cos square. Now let's solve. So after transferring denominator from one expression to another, now we have to separate the denominator. So we can separate like 3 by cos square theta minus 4 sin square theta by cos square theta. Then cos square theta same, 3 1s are 3, minus plus, cos square 3 into cos square 3 cos square. Like this we can solve. So now we have 3 by cos square. So 3 is same. Now 1 by cos square means sec square. Then similarly 4 same, and sin square by cos square means tan square. Then cos square theta plus 3 cos square theta, that is 4 cos square theta, minus 3 also same. Now if we see the RHS side, the back expression is already matching. Now we have to convert into first expression into 3 minus tan square. So again we can see there we have the tan square, and here we have the sec square and tan square. Means here we have to change the sec square theta. So let's see the previous step same. Now we have to change sec square into tan square. So using the formula, so if you see the RHS, so to make it easy I have written the RHS over here. So to change sec square into square, we have to use the formula 1 plus tan square. So 3 multiply 1 plus tan square theta minus 4 tan square theta, and then remaining expression is same. So 3 1s are 3, 3 into tan square, 3 tan square minus 4 tan square theta. So plus 3 minus 5 is minus tan square theta. So in this way we get the RHS. Now if you find this video helpful and if you learn something, then subscribe the channel if you haven't till yet, and share with your friends, recommend our channel to your friends so that we will reach 500 subscribers soon. Thank you so much.